Hi, I'm Giza. I'm a Persimmon provider. I specialize in neuromodulator injections such as Botox and Xeomin. I also specialize in chemical pills such as Vitalize and Rejuvenize. With over 20 years of dedicated service as a compassionate registered nurse, I've built my career on a foundation of caring for others. I graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Nursing from the Philippines. I have continually sought to expand my expertise and impact. I am driven by a profound belief in the importance of self-love and confidence. Currently, I proudly serve as a cardiovascular intensive care unit nurse. I bring a blend of empathy, skill, and dedication to every patient interaction. Understanding the profound impact of aesthetic treatments on individuals' self-esteem, I approach each procedure with a deep commitment to helping my clients look and feel their best. I understand it can be nerve-wracking to switch providers or try something new. Let me tell you about how we are trained at Persimmon. To work as a Persimmon provider, we must complete over 27 hours of instruction. Our training is one of the best in the industry, and providers are not cleared to treat clients until their skills meet Persimmon standards. This training includes extensive supervision and ongoing mentorship. Our providers consistently receive hundreds of 5-star reviews because our training emphasizes high-level assessment skills. Whether you're seeking rejuvenation, enhancement, or a subtle transformation, I'm here to be your aesthetic guide. I look forward to being a part of your journey as we unveil your timeless beauty and fully embrace your self-love and confidence. Take the next step. Hit the link to book me on the Persimmon app. Follow me at Aesthetic RN Goddess.